see. Look at that. Now I'm gonna cut up my leg. Say is that doing this, putting all of this together, makes me feel more healthier, make me feel more better, and I think that I'm going to live a long time if I keep going on this good path of eating healthy, because that's all I ever want. You know, back in the days when I was 17 years old, I was like crazy. I was wild and crazy. I was like eating anything that people give me, or you know what I'm saying, anything that I can catch my hands on, and it'll always taste good. But mama always say, come with me in the kitchen and I will show you how to cook a home cooked meal. Now I'm gonna put them in the pot. It's going to be very delicious. And that's it. I think I'm going to put some more water on it. Almost that time. I really don't do this too early, you know what I'm saying, but because I'm cooking dinner, I want to, you know what, I probably will do it later. I'll probably do it later on. I'll do it near close to dinner time, but in the meantime, I think I could get this video finished while I'm cooking, because the meat's gonna take a long time to cook. I'll say about like 5 hours. It should be remaining take, you know. So, but I am gonna take my medicine, but not right now. I'm gonna take it within the next 2 hours, near time for dinner time. You know, I wonder what time it is now. Oh, I don't even have my phone. My phone is over there somewhere, but I'm gonna take it when dinner time is about that time. So you will get the chance to see me again. Don't worry, you'll see me.